Hi guys, in this video, let us understand how do we solve the most commonly occurred authentication problem while linking up your local project with your online GitHub repository. First of all, I have a project called Git upload demo and it has an index.html file. I want to push my project into the GitHub repository that I've created already with the same project name. As you see, currently my repository is empty. Let's try to link up the project with the GitHub repository and also push the project into the repository. So let's go to terminal. Initially, we do git init to start the GitHub server. Now the URL for pushing our project into the GitHub repository goes like this: git space remote space set URL origin. The URL goes like this. It should include github.com slash your username followed by the name of the repository, which is git upload demo.git. Let's try to push our project. Git push origin main. It's asking for my username and password. So as you guys see here, there's this authentication failed error message. I have encountered with this error message even after giving right password. So let's understand how do we solve this problem. First of all, go to our GitHub account, go to settings. There will be this option called developer settings in it. Go to personal access tokens. We have two options in this. Let's click the second one and let's generate a new token in here. You can give any name you want. I'm giving practice, for example, and the expiration can be anything. I'm giving 60 days. And one main thing is you guys need to select all these checkboxes. This is basically we are giving the access token all the rights. So I'm checking up all these boxes and I generated a token. So this token can be used in order to link up your project with your GitHub repository using command line interface. Let's copy this token and go to the terminal. Here, let's go with the command again. Initially, I'll do clear everything and then the URL goes like this: git remote set URL origin https:// the token that you have copied just now at the rate github.com slash your username followed by the name of the repository, which is git upload demo.git. Now let's do git push origin name. So here if you see, pushing up the project into the repository is successfully done without any error message. It has also not asked for any credentials validations. So this is how you can push your local project repository into your GitHub account without any errors. If you can check that again by refreshing your repository. See, our project has been successfully pushed into the GitHub repository. There's this index.html file, and this is our first commit. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.